The project ArchiLens is now there on GitHub from quite some time, and I'm using it for different purposes. But today I'm thinking to publish it on PyPi as well, so that it is available as a Python library, and then from command line people can directly install it rather than going to the GitHub, downloading the source code and then setting it up on the local system. So I'm just thinking to do that. So for that purpose, I have just registered a publisher over here, the project. So I'm trying to uh, trigger this particular workflow on GitHub repository. Like the code and everything is already pushed over here. This is basically the main repository present over here. I will be pasting the link as well. There is already a release which I have created earlier, but for this release, the PyPi kind of publishing is not done. So that is something which I will be trying to do now. Okay, so let me go back and then try to then hit that particular git command. I will be creating because the version 0.1 is already there. So this time let me create 0.2.0 like this, and then let us see. Okay, perfect. Then I need to push this to the origin, which is already defined, and then the master branch. I think it is main. Let me see if it is master or main. Hmm. We'll basically test it. I'm going to test it on one of the a few of the basically the repos of leading open source frameworks. So we'll try to do that, and then let me now push the release version. That is v0.2.0, and it should be triggering the publish YAML workflow, and then it should be available. So it is here now. If I go to GitHub repository, okay, so here we can see the workflow has triggered. It is now working. Both are in progress. Let's see if that works. A lot of failed workflows are also there. Okay, I think this is as part of the testing I was doing. It's May month, so yeah, today only I am picking it up for a next version. So once that is complete, the library will be uploaded and published, and it can be used. If I go to your projects, last release less than a minute. Okay, perfect. So it is there. I can view this particular project. Website, perfect. Repository, perfect. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, this is, I think, taking up from the README file, all this information. That's okay. And nice. So the next step will be to test it.